The all-new MG Cyberstar. Legends live forever. Priced at $1,399,900, the MG Cyberstar is a reintroduction of what sports car design should look like, and it, being an electric car generating 375 kilowatts, will it still give you the same thrill? MG's comeback to South Africa blends iconic heritage with modern electronic innovation and futuristic design while celebrating its 100th anniversary. One thing this vehicle comes with is attention. A lot of attention. And it probably has something to do with the scissor doors. In the minutes I was here to have a look at it, so many people stopped by to take pictures, ask questions, touch and feel.
Yo, it is very nice.
We even had a few stick their heads out their cars mid-driving to get a proper look. And I don't blame them. This color is dynamic red. There's also Camden Grey, Cosmic Silver, Inca Yellow, and New English White. All of which give it a different persona. Kinda reminds me of my girlfriend when she changes her hairstyle. But anyways, on a sunny day, you drop the top, put your shades on, and cruise nicely. In a little as under 15 seconds, it goes from being a coupe to a convertible. The exterior looks very sleek and has aerodynamic finishes like front vents, underbody diffusers, side skirts, and a rear diffuser. The Cyberstar sits on wide 275 20-inch alloys, which have a design that make the car look in motion even though standing still. My delight is the rear, with arrow-shaped taillights. Now that's something you don't see every day. You do get a little bit of trunk space, and at the front, an engine-like compartment with a cover, so you don't get your electronics dirty or wet. That's not gonna end well. One thing I was concerned about though is let's say I park somewhere and I come back and find that Karen has parked so close to my door. Wouldn't that damage the scissor door if I do open it? Well, MG thought about that too. The door has a sensor, so the minute it senses impact, it stops right there. Clever, cause I don't want to find out how much it costs to replace it. Anyways, let's hop in. Ooh la la. The cockpit is well laid out. MG adopts triple digital display, all of which are driver centric. Kinda like being in a jet. You control every aspect of the aircraft, and your passenger princes can sit back and enjoy. Now that's royalty. The left screen controls all media related and vehicle settings. The center, it functions as an instrument cluster, and the right hand side is where you see all your vehicle stats relating to your electrical consumption, your charge, trip, and all minor details, and additionally the 360-degree view camera. Then the tablet-like screen at the bottom or center console is where you get your aircon controls, the volume button, which took me a while to find, and minimal vehicle overview. Right next to it, you get the digital gear selection. Check this out, hidden sleek cup holders. Very fancy. I must say though, I dislike the piano black finish because if you're not careful, they get scratched up really quick and it does not look nice. Other than that, everything in here is premium. From the dual suede leather combo seats to the flat bottom, fully functional steering wheel, Bose sound system, it all just feels and looks really good. MG designers were cooking. But the question is always going to be, do you really want to buy an electric car in this economy? Especially a supercar? Well, the choice is yours. If you're looking for something innovative and current, economic, and with an acclaimed range of 443 kilometers, and also turns heads at the sight of it, this is it. Let us know in the comment section below if this is a car you'd actually buy. So if you're interested in viewing this car up and close, do contact the team at MG East London on the numbers below and let them know we sent you. You might just get extra brownie points. But that's it for today. Look out for other MG models and we shall review and test drive them. See you soon again. Bye. Electric cars are here to take over. So get with the program